Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Pag-usapan natin ngayon ang official statement ni Davao City Mayor Sebastian Duterte tungkol sa pag-relieve ng 40 police officers sa Davao City. Mayroon siyang pahayag tungkol nito. Okay, remind ko lang yung gustong mag-order ng dark chocolate, pwede na kayong mag-order sa number na ito. 0916-900-997. Kailan meantime, habang napakainit pa ang panahon, hindi pa pwedeng mabigyan yung mga nasa malalayo dahil matutunaw yung dark chocolate kung ipadala sa LVC. So, yun lang nasa Cagayan de Oro at malalapit na bayan, yun lang ang pwedeng mabigyan ng dark chocolate. Okay, so ito. Official statement ni Mayor Basti Duterte tungkol sa biglaan na pag-relieve. Ang daming mga police officers na nirelieve sa Davao City. I condemn the recent decision to relieve 35 police personnel, including 6 station commanders and the City Director, Colonel Richard Badang, from their duties. This move, supposedly in connection with an investigation into a buy-bust operation, appears to be an abuse of power from higher authorities. Sabi ng nagpadala sa akin ng statement na ito is undeclared martial law. 2 months ago, I think itong bago lang na-designate si Colonel Badang as City Police Director at nag-declare si Mayor Baste na all-out war sa Davao kasi bumabalik na ang kalakaran ng droga sa Davao. Mula nung umupo ang administrasyong ito, wala na, halos sa buong bansa, lumalakas ulit ang kalakaran ng droga, including Davao. Kaya, nung umupo itong si Colonel Badang, isang dedicated police officer, isang Cordillera nito, siguro matino, at may tiwala si Mayor Baste. Kaya sabi niya, let's go all out war on drugs. O yun. In 7 days, talagang maraming nahuli at may lumaban at may napatay. So dahil sa napatay na mga drug suspects, yun, nirelieve. Ang unang nirelieve, 7. Ngayon, nadagdagan, 35. So, yan, 42 na. Okay, ituloy natin ang statement. The Davao City Police Office has consistently shown remarkable effectiveness in maintaining peace and order in our city. Our records indicate a significant 69% decrease in focused crimes comparing May calendar year 2023 to May 2024. This accomplishment reflects the dedication and competence of our police force working hand in hand with my administration. Agree ako dito, malimit kaming namamasyal sa Davao, napakatahimik ang Davao. Doon, yung speed limit, nako, hindi ka pwedeng magpatakbo ng mabilis within the city, yung city center, gano'n. Tapos malinis, napakaganda po ang Davao, napakadisiplinado. And malaking tulong yan yung mga police personnel. Matitino ang mga police ng Davao kasi nasa leader yan eh. Itong si Mayor Baste, like father, like son eh. Galing ng kanyang leadership. So, may salute to Davao City Police personnel. Sayang at nire-relieve kayo na yung dahilan hindi masyadong klaro. Okay. It is disheartening to witness such disruptive actions within our law enforcement agencies. The officers implicated, including esteemed City Director Colonel Badang and the station commanders, have demonstrated an unwavering commitment to their responsibilities. Furthermore, there is substantial evidence supporting the assertion that the bypass operations were conducted within the bounds of the law. Any insinuation of misconduct on their part is unfounded and unjust. Okay, yung news article ng Rappler na nabasa ko, yung mga pulis na na-relieve, nagbigay ng statement, sabi nila, yung mga body camera nila, tinurn over as evidence. Para yun ang magpapatunay kung may abuse of power na ginawa ng mga pulis. So, dapat ipakita nila sa publiko yun. Ano pa? Mga barangay officials and media personnel. Challenge ng mga police officers yung investigating yung IAS na tanungin nila. I don't know kung tinanong na ba nila. Hindi ako naniniwala na gagawa ng kalukuhan itong Davao City Police personnel. Kasi bakit mo paggagawin ng ganun na mainit na usapan yung ICC investigation, tinatarget si PRRD, na anytime from now, baka may darating na warrant of arrest dahil sa drug war campaign nung panahon niya. Bakit ngayon, wala na sa poder si PRRD, bakit ang mga pulis gagawa pa ng kalukuhan? I don't believe so. Ulitin ko, my opinion, matitino, hindi naman 100%, hindi naman perfect. At karamihan yan, especially with the leadership of Colonel Badang. Igurot yan. Matino yan. Kaya binasa ko yung record niya. Grabe. So, tama si Mayor Duterte. Sabi niya, disruptive actions. Kasi gumanda ang peace and order situation sa Davao. Itong pamumuno ni Colonel Badang. Okay. Tuloy natin. It's important to note that according to Republic Act 6975, ito ata yung local government code. City and municipal mayors shall exercise operational supervision and control over the PNP units in their respective jurisdictions. My active involvement emphasizes my dedication to collaborating with law enforcement to maintain peace and order in Davao City. Correct me if I'm wrong, si Mayor Duterte lang ang nag-declare ng all-out war against drugs throughout the country. All the rest, wala na, tahimik. What's wrong with declaring all-out war with drugs? Kasi, ulitin ko, ang feedback na natatanggap, lumalakas na ang droga. So, hayaan ba natin na babalik na naman ang problema sa droga? Ang laking ganansya, ang laking improvement mula nung panahon ni PRRD. Ngayon, I don't know. Talagang may experiences, yung mga nakakausap ko, sa lahat ng lugar, bumabalik na ang kalakaran sa droga. Okay, so the recent actions taken against these relief personnel contradict the spirit of cooperation and mutual trust, crucial for effective governance and law enforcement. Okay, last paragraph. I oppose any efforts to undermine the hard-earned trust between our community and law enforcement. These recent developments serve as a stark reminder of the dangers of unchecked authority. Ito na yung abuse of power. I call for transparency and accountability in handling this matter and for the immediate reinstatement of the unfairly relieved officers. Mayor Sebastian Z. Duterte, Davao City. Yan po ang statement. So, ito, sinabayan pa ng nirelieve yung mga key officers ng Davao City Police Office, tapos nilagyan ng 2 SAF batalyon ng Davao City. So, sabi ng mga netizens, preload na daw yun, paghahanda sa pag-aresto kay PRRD once na lumabas ang warrant of arrest from ICC. So, sana hindi matuloy yung... bahala nang mag-warrant of arrest ang ICC, basta huwag lang makipag-cooperate ang Philippine government. Sana maging totoo ang presidente sa kanyang paulit-ulit na pronouncement na ang kanyang administrasyon ay hindi mag-commit to help ICC. Ay di walang problema. Okay? So, sana i-reinstate kaagad ang mga na-relieve na officers. Bilisan yung investigation. Ba't ang tagal? Noong una, 7 lang ang na-relieve. Ngayon, dinagdagan pa. Ano ba yan? Sabi ng Rappler, cleansing or political vendetta o political revenge. Ang taong bayan po, nagmamasid sa kaganapan sa Davao City.